Hello, welcome to my channel Preschool Made Easy. In this video, I am showing you some crafts for Krishna Janmashtami. First of all, I am making peacock feather, which Krishna used to wear on his head. For this, on a blue paper, make a shape of feather. Now cut this nicely. With a green paper, cut the shape. Now stick these paper one by one. Make cut. Be careful while you are doing this work. You can paste this feather on a paper for scrapbook craft. If you find this difficult, you can make it an easy way. Just cut the simple shapes and paste them one by one. This way also you can make feather. This is easy. Now I'm making crown. For this, take golden paper. I'm making feather just like before. staple this golden paper according to the head of the kid. Now stick this feather on one side of this crown. This crown looks very attractive. You can use it in the function. Now this is another way to make the feather. Just draw and cut this shape on the green paper. Cut orange and blue paper too. Now stick them together. On an ice cream stick, you can paste this feather, and this is carry home article. Now I am making Flute of Krishna. You can decorate this in many creative ways. Now I am making matki. You can make matki this way. I have cut this cutout. Now to decorate this, I am using a lace. I'm striking sparkle sheets. I have cut these shapes from the blue and orange paper. Now paste them all on this matki. You can paste it on the paper. To make butter, I am using cotton. Now this matki is looking beautiful. You can make bandhan mala also with these articles. You can decorate your puja mandir. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.